back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing and also come follow me on my Instagram. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. I have a very exciting Chanel unboxing that I want to share with you all. These are the items that I purchased from the past months that I'm away on YouTube. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me open first the small boxes. These are the receipts. So I'll start with this. This was gifted to me by my SA last December as part of their customer appreciation. I'm so happy to receive this gift. So here, oh wow, look at this, it's so beautiful. This is the ID holder with chain, lambskin leather with big CC logo. So there's one card slot in front, and at the back there's two card slots. So 1, 2, here's the card, and it's in 30 series. So it is in light gold hardware. There, let me wear it. So it looks like this when you wear it. Yeah, I love it because it's practical and I know I can use this all the time. There you go. So moving on, let me just put it here. I got this last December. Open it. Okay. This is from the 20K collection. It's in silver hardware. And the stone is blue and black stone with CC logo with crystals. I like it because it's the perfect size for everyday use. So this is how it looks. And on the side and at the back it looks like this. So the stamp, it's in there and I can't read it because it's too small. I will try it so you could see how it looks on me. Okay, next is this one. Here. So this is the crystal pearl perfume bottle necklace. This is considered as REV, means it's a revolving classic. It's not part of a seasonal. It's not a seasonal piece. There. It's a gold miniature bottle of Chanel perfume pendant hanging from a gold chain. So let me just take it out so you could see. So this is in gold hardware. It has this quilting design. There's a CC logo in the middle and crystals. And at the back it looks like this. I love this pearl over here. I like it because it's timeless and elegant. There's also a CC logo over here. So let me wear it so you could see how it looks on me. Yeah, like this. There you go. Love it. So the next one is this box. So this is the gold tone necklace features. This is the choker necklace. This gold tone necklace features a lambskin leather, threaded chain links with Chanel nameplate. And there's a CC logo here. So let me just take it out so you can see. There. Here's the CC logo. And you can also use this as a bracelet. So like this, and then you wrap it around. Let me try it on so you could see. So you put it like this, and then you wrap it like this, like that. So this is the perfume bottle necklace. Looks like you can wear it shorter or longer if you want to layer it with your other accessories, like this. And this is the choker. Love it. It's so stylish and elegant at the same time. So what can you say? Do you like it? Moving on, let me open these boxes. These are shoes. This one first. There's the flat and dust bags. Yay, so here it is. Wow, it's so beautiful. These Espadrille sandals are from the 20th collection. So from last year's collection. There, it's made of lambskin with cap toe design. I love the color combination, the classic combination, beige and black. So the bottom looks like this. There's CC logo there, and it's made in Spain. And I got this on size, my usual size, 38. I love this because it's different from the regular espadrilles. So perfect for summer. There's put it here. Okay, this. So this has been on my wish list since last year, and I'm happy that I'm finally able to get this because it's always sold out and it's hard to get. Oh, I have this extra shoelaces. Here's the booklet and dust bags. Wow! Look at that! Love it! So these are the Sport Trail sneakers. The font looks like this. The look is more refined and sleeker. It's made of fabric, suede, and calfskin leather. There's a CC logo there. And then the back looks like this. It's a Chanel. And this quilted sole design made of rubber. And the bottom looks like this. It's also has this quilted design. And it says Chanel there. So inside, there's a Chanel logo. And it's made in Italy, and this one I got it on the size 39. There. So I love the sneakers. It's so comfy. You can definitely wear it every day and will complement any outfit. Let me show you first what my essay gave me. I received it from the mail. Is this the Chanel Iconic here, and this is how it looks. So this is how the book looks like. It tells about the history of the classic flap. Beautiful pictures of the bag. And it shows pictures how the bag was made. Yeah, look at that, it's so pretty. And what can they say about it? Yeah. There. So I'm so happy to receive this because it's a collector's piece, and I love receiving memorabilia from Chanel. So let me put it on the side. Last but not the least, the most exciting part of my unboxing is this box right here. I bought it when it first came out. It's from 21S collection. So here's the receipt. Let me open it. I'm so excited. Oh wow, I'm surprised that my essay didn't wrap it inside. Like there's no protective tissue. Okay. So here's the booklet. There you go. So this is the mini rectangular flap with top handle in caviar leather. Let's take this off. So you can see that the leather has an iridescent sheen to it. This is my first mini flap in caviar, that's why it's so special to me. So here you can see that the strap is thinner than the classic mini and it's not detachable. And this is in antique gold hardware. So this is how it looks. And at the back, same as the classic mini, there's a back pocket. And here's the bottom. So let me open it. There. So inside, it's made in France. And it's leather lined. So there's the card. 31 series. Where? So there you go. I'm happy that my SA was able to receive this. I'm happy that my SA was able to reserve this for me. I love top handle bags. It's so versatile. You can wear it in so many ways. Like this, if you have a smaller wrist. Or like this. And it's the perfect on-the-go bag, as well as a small bag for casual and special occasions. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy my unboxing. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Stay tuned for my mod shots. Bye!